good financial news for today's Money Watch after the stock market here in the U.S. soared to record highs yesterday. Last week's election is one factor. So is a big announcement from the Fed. Take a look at this. The Dow closed above 44,000 yesterday for the first time ever, and the S&P 500 hit just over 6,000. That, too, is a record. CBS News Money Watch correspondent Kelly O'Grady is here with more on why this is happening. Kelly, thank you for being here. How long is it going to last?
Yeah, good morning to you all. I mean, look, the markets hate uncertainty, okay? And last week, we got clarity on who the next president will be and what interest rates will look like for the next 6 weeks. So investors, they're pouring money in. They're betting that President-elect Trump could be good for corporate profits. And you can see this in a few places. So the financial industry, it gained more than 11.5% yesterday alone. So think of your banks like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan. They would benefit from softer regulation that's expected under Trump. You pair that with lower interest rates, and you're going to see a lot of merger activity. That means money for the big investment banks. Tesla, whose CEO is Elon Musk, is also a big winner. So the stock is up a whopping 40% since the election. This is a bet that less regulation will help the company's self-driving car plans and that Musk will have some influence in the Trump administration. With roughly 1/3 of Tesla sales coming from China, though, Trump's tariff plans against Beijing, there's something to watch.
People might be tempted to take their money out. You know, they're ahead right now. Leave the table while you're up. How long will they stay up, though? How long is this going to last? And what does it mean for everyday people?
Yeah, so near term, you could see a little bit of pullback, right? Investors taking some profits off the table. Remember, though, the markets, they can be very reactive. We're going to get some key inflation data tomorrow. That could move the needle. But most analysts are telling me this is going to be net positive through the rest of the year because Trump won't have taken office yet. You don't know what that's going to mean. The hope is still there. What it means for the average American, now's the time to talk to your financial advisor. Make sure your portfolio matches your goals. And I always say this, Tony, the market doesn't mean your pocketbook. So Wall Street might be winning, but that doesn't mean your financial picture changes overnight.
Got you. All right, Kelly, thank you so much for joining us. Good to see you in studio.